Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about keto diet or ketogenic diet. You know, keto diet and ketogenic diet is very important, right? So the word keto is a short form of ketogenic, right? So what is keto diet? Actually, keto diet is a eating style, right? Just you have to remember that keto diet is an eating style, and this eating style reduces carbohydrate intake. That is, we eat less carbohydrate than usual. Then increases fat intake. That is, we eat more fat than normal. Then moderate protein intake. Okay, what is the function? In order to achieve a metabolic shift, and this metabolic shift is called ketosis. That is, by adopting keto diet or ketogenic diet, we would like to start ketosis in our body, right? So let us take more information about this diet. What the ketogenic diet does is switch the body from burning glucose to burning fat. That is, in ketosis, in the process of ketosis, we want to burn fat instead of glucose. Usually we burn glucose for taking energy, right? But when we start ketosis process in our body, we burn fat in our body, right? Okay, so let us take more information. When the body burns fat, that is, in ketosis process we burn fat, it produces molecules, and these molecules are called ketones. That is, in ketosis process we get molecules, that is ketones, and these ketones are used for getting energy, right? Look, when ketones, that is, we get ketones by ketosis. When ketones are the primary source of fuel for the body, it's known as being ketosis. So what is ketosis? Ketosis is a process in which body burn ketone as a ketone for fuel or energy, right? Okay. In standard ketogenic diet, we eat 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. Look, these fat are good fats. We know that there are some good fats and there are some bad fats, but in ketogenic diet or keto diet we eat good fat. Okay, look, any diet containing more than 100 grams of carbohydrate per day, and this amount of carbohydrate is enough to prevent ketosis, right? And is referred to as a balanced diet. That is, in balanced diet we eat 100 grams or more than 100 grams of carbohydrate, but in keto diet we eat less than 100 grams of carbohydrate per day, right? Look, the average ketogenic dieter consume approximately 2100 calories. That is, an average ketogenic dieter eats 121 grams of protein, 172 grams of fat, and only 24 gram of carbohydrate. That is, the energy that is required to functioning our body comes from this fat, right? Okay. Now let me tell you the benefits of ketogenic diet. Benefits of ketogenic diet. Okay. Number one benefit will be effortless weight loss. Number two benefit will be reduce appetite, right? Number three, improved mood. Number four, ability to eat more without gaining weight. That is, in ketosis we can achieve the ability to eat more without gaining weight. Number five, lower and more stable blood pressure. Number six, fewer cravings. Number seven, clear thought. Number eight, improved sleep. Number nine, reduction in gas and bloating, right? Okay. Mechanism of ketosis, right? Mechanism of ketosis. Look, in the first step we decrease the carbohydrate intake, right? In second step, after the body has used most of its stored glucose, it shifts to use fat for energy. Step 3, dietary fat or stored body fat are broken down. Step 4, the body also creates glucose from non-carbohydrate sources for the small set of bodily processes that require it. Number 5, ketone becomes the body's primary fuel, replacing glucose. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.